chia seed pudding time. I add flax seeds. I start with flax seeds. So grinding them up is the best way of digesting them, sticking them in a smoothie or in your cereal or whatnot, even tea. But yes, so heart health, digestive health, blood sugar management, and as well as weight management. It is your omega-3 fatty acids, as well as calcium and fiber. The omega-3s and other nutrients in flax seeds can help improve skin hydration, smoothness, reduce roughness. So yes, grind them. Grinding whole seeds using a coffee grinder like I just did. Food processor, which get a really good one because the portable one's not so good. For proper digestion. And then bake them, use them as an egg substitute as well. You can use it with flaxseed and 3 tablespoons of water. It makes a gel, just like the chia seeds, which we're going to get to. So next I'm going to grind up coconut and cacao chips. And women, flax seeds, the most important benefit is hormone balance for menopause and PMS. Absolutely, with the omega-3s and the heart health, the lowering the cholesterol, lowering post-menopause and digestive support. Again, everything that happens in our stomach and in our body is going to affect everything around us. So yes, rich in fiber and all. So do not forget the flax seeds. Cacao and coconut. Cacao alone helps your immunity and your skin and your mood. I recommend Aura Cacao, which is linked in my website. I am affiliated with them. It's from Belize in Uganda. It's amazing. And you support the tribes, breaking out of the matrix and also getting amazing chocolate with healing healthy properties. Now, chia seeds, why are they so important? Well, if you have them every day with water, lemon, and honey, you will speed up your metabolism and you will lose weight. You will also detox your body. As well as if you mix it with water, you will add to your muscle weight and your protein and help your bones. So it's 64% more potassium than a banana. There's 3 more percent of iron than spinach, 5 more calcium than milk, and 20% of protein, 4% of your daily fiber, and 100 more of omega-3s than salmon alone without the mercury, 2 times the antidotes of blueberries, and 32% of your daily magnesium. Ladies, what are we doing? Yes, we can heal naturally. So now I just added maple syrup, sugar, ginger, cinnamon, my mushroom powder, which is lion's mane, corpus, reishi, all that. I'm going to do vanilla extract as well as some date syrup. Because date syrup and cacao are amazing. That's just your sweetener, really. Like, you want the chocolate that you've been missing? Date syrup. In Adventures, we are going to do the chia seeds. So about a lid full of chia seeds to cover. Right? Because this is not that big, just FYI. And you also have flax seeds in here. Even though they're ground up, they still do the jelly forming as just like chia seeds. So it will make it thicker. And then almond milk. Don't forget to shake up your almond, your plant milk. I don't know why we call it plant. It's a nut milk. Anyway, don't forget to shake it. That was my last mistake. I didn't shake the last one. And I found that out the hard way by the time I got to the end of it. Anyway. Here's my view. Alrighty. Let's get this set. Get everything stirred around. That will leave some space. Alright. Get everything mixed first. It's really funny because I got a hand mixer, but this jar is too small, so oh well. And you don't really need it. You can do it by hand, so the more you know. Also, if texture is a thing for you, add Greek yogurt to this, and that will help with this immensely. And that, in a nutshell, is the pudding. This is going to sit now at least till 3 o'clock. Best is to do this the night before. Have it in the morning with water, even just a teaspoon of chia seeds with honey and lemon, and you'll kickstart your metabolism and start detoxing. But yeah, so this is going to sit. So you want them to sit no less than 20 minutes. So 20 minutes to overnight. You do want to stir them after you mix them up again just to make sure. But then, yeah, it's going to make more of a pudding. And, you know, stick them in the fridge. I don't have a fridge. I have a cooler. But that's okay because it's been working just fine. A pudding. But the health benefits alone in just this jar and how filling it is. See how deceiving food is? Relearn nutrition.